Hello, my name is Andrew Hendry. I'm the course coordinator and an instructor in Biology 111, Organismal Biology at McGill University in Montreal. Last year, under complete COVID restrictions where so few people could come to Montreal, we had to develop a bunch of innovative, different teaching strategies that were based a lot on virtual lectures that we made brand new. This year, of course, COVID restrictions are much less. However, it seems like it's most likely, again, we won't be able to give you in-person lectures. Rather, they will be virtual. At least the labs can be in person, we presume, this year. So we have to do virtual lectures again, but we're going to try and make them as creative and interesting as we can within the context that we have to work with. Now, last year, I developed a series of lectures that were based on physical locations, which I called place-based teaching. In particular, we did a lot of lectures that had a touchstone in things that were occurring at my cabin in northern British Columbia. This year, I've gone back to my cabin in the summer and recorded more content for these virtual lectures that I hope will bring the concepts of ecology and evolution in vertebrates to you in a real context that is a place or different places. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo the virtual online recorded lectures that involve a combination of stuff recorded last year and stuff recorded this year to hopefully build for you the most interesting context to present to you ecology, evolution, and for my part of the lectures, vertebrates. Plants, fungi, and invertebrates and microbes will be covered by other lecturers in the course. Oh, there's a bear. There's a bear right there. I'm going to record it with my other camera and then show you. Well, there was a bear there. Oh, he's still there. I'm sure he's back in the bushes. And I've got this bigger camera here going in hopes that it will record the well, I think I can see it. Yeah, I can see it, Cedar. It's not that obvious, but right along the shore in the bushes, the bear is moving along. Obviously it's really far away. It's reaching up into the bushes right now. I think it's getting the red osier dogwood bushes. See? It's reaching up and pulling down the red osier dogwood. And it's pretty cool because earlier I was recording content about black bears, in this case black bears, but also grizzly bears, tearing down or pulling down red osier dogwood bushes to get the berries off the top. And that's what he's doing right now. After spotting the bear from up by our picnic table, up by our cabin, saw that it was moving really slowly along the shoreline because it wasn't looking for salmon. That's usually a fairly fast movement, but rather he or she was pulling down red osier dogwood bushes to eat the berries. So I rushed down and I'm now across the river from where he is, hoping to get a closer video and picture of him. However, he seems to be moving back up the hill. And I haven't seen him for a little while now. I just see the bushes moving every now and then and little patches of black moving through. But he may have taken off, or maybe he's taking a midday nap, I don't know. So I may be out of luck. Oh well, it was still super cool. It's funny, I was sitting here right beside the pink salmon spawning, right here. And with the bear up in the bushes getting red osier dogwood berries. And I smelled something a little funny. Put my hand back here just at random and felt something wet and moist. And you can see that, in fact, a salmon has been eaten here. A pink salmon. There's just a little itty bitty bits left. Now food for yellow jackets. Oh, the ironies. Will they never cease?